How you doing, folks? Scott with Dallas Paint Correction. I want to do a review on something. I want to do a review on this bad boy, Jimbos Wax N Relax. When I heard about this product, I had to get it. You want to know why? I love the name, Wax N Relax. There's this little character that looks like Jimbo. I want to do a quick review of this stuff. I don't have much left in this bottle here. I got this bottle. I wanted to test it for a while. I've used it on many cars. I've got an opinion about it. If you can't tell from my giggle, I'm in love with this stuff. But there's something you need to know about this stuff, and I'm going to explain it to you. I got my car here. On my car, on the rear passenger door, there is the Mother's ceramic spray and rinse that you can get from, hold on guys, I thought I had some red ants on me. That's not good. But I've got the Mother's ceramic rinse and seal. Spray it when it's wet, rinse it off. But the rest of the panels on this side have nothing on it. Let me rinse it off. It is clean, has been washed, it's been polished, it's been clayed. It's all clean, but I gotta rinse it off so we get it slightly wet. I'm only gonna do half this car. I don't want to kill you with a long video. But you see the panel's pretty flat. This panel here is what's got Mother's on it, folks. This stuff has been on there for about a month, and I wanted to do this video with Wax N Relax so we have something to compare it to. But the Mother's ceramic spray-on, rinse-off, touch-off sealant has been on here for about a month, and I've washed it with non-pH neutral soaps, with Road Warrior from Superior. It's doing fantastic. For a consumer-grade product you can walk into AutoZone and get, folks, Geon. I like Geon. Love Geon Wet Coat, but this performs better than Geon Wet Coat, and you can get it at AutoZone. That's a winner. So I can use this in direct sunlight. Got to be careful with that one. My direct sunlight is not like Jimbo's direct sunlight. My sunlight in Texas is brutal. It'll kill you. It'll give you skin cancer fast. But I'm going to show you what I have. I've got a foam can in here that's got ½ an ounce of the product in it, and then I filled up the container to 16 ounces of water. I don't need a lot of product. I'm only doing half this car, but let me go ahead and foam it on here. I got to be careful. I am in this right now. It's about 99 degrees, black car, very intense sun. Jimbos Wax N Relax. Folks, I've got good water. I got a good foam cannon, so it foams up well, even ½ an ounce to 16 ounces of water. But I don't want that stuff to dry up. Again, my hot sun, my direct sun is very different than Jimbo's out in Los Angeles. But let me let it dwell there. He says about a minute or two you can let it dwell and then rinse it off. He says 1 to 2 ounces for a 32-ounce foam cannon if you fill it all the way up to 32 ounces. I don't think you need to do that, folks. I could go around with 16 ounces of water. Let me rinse it off. I do not want it to dry. It's fantastic. And I'm going to tell you why it's fantastic. I know guys spray up or spray down. I've never seen a difference. Folks, I'm going to bring you in and let you see this, but I want to talk about something. Jimbo is doing something very interesting with his Wax N Relax. First off, folks, I know Jimbo well. I've met his wife. I've met his kids. I want to say something, and I want to honor him. He is a small brand. He's trying his best to fight in an industry that is very competitive. I know the chemist he uses. I also know that he's got a great relationship with this chemist, folks. He's able to protect the products he's creating for him and his family and for his brand. Jimbo, I love you. I honor you. I know what you're doing. I'm not here to kiss your ass, Jimbo, but I will tell you something. What I love about your product is that when I put it on the shelf in my garage, I know nobody else has this. I know this is yours. I know you worked hard to get it just right. And folks, I want to talk about this product. When you first go to use it, it's not overly hydrophobic, but it's hydrophobic. It's going to take a little time to come together. Tomorrow, when I hit this with water, it's going to be incredibly hydrophobic, and we're going to do updates on it. I'm in direct sunlight. Let me make sure I keep it wet. But it's getting very hydrophobic now. I love it. Jimbo, great product. But I want to talk about what I know Jimbo's trying to do with this product. One, he wants you to have a nice experience, meaning he doesn't want you to use a product that gets really streaky and you're all on the phone with him, killing him, going, what happened to my car? He is using a resin that takes a little time to start to activate. 12 to 24 hours, these panels, this side of this car will be 2 to 3 times as hydrophobic. I've almost used a bottle of this stuff. I would buy a gallon of this stuff now after using it. I like to use it on several cars before I give my opinion, and I want to see it how it does the next day. But Jimbo, I love you. You've got a great product here. I want to support you because I know what you're doing. In a world of private label products being flooded all over the place, Jimbo's got himself a really nice position in the industry with creating products he can protect. If he decides he wants to sell it to someone and private label it, that's his business. But his stuff is in his hand, he's protecting it, and he should. And I know all the products I've used like this, I've never used this before. This is Jimbo's and it's only his, and I love it. When I put it on the garage shelf and I look at it, I go, Jimbo, I got your one-of-a-kind sealant, your spray-on, rinse-off sealant. Now this product, again, he doesn't want you guys having streaky experiences. Jimbo, yeah. Guys, I got to bring you in. You got to see this. This is fantastic. I bought 16 ounces. Guess what? I'll buy a gallon of this stuff. I want to, hold on, guys. So sorry. I want to support Jimbo. I love it. Let's get in here and see this. Here's the panel that had the mother's ceramics spray-on sealant, right? Watch. Fantastic. Here's the panel that had nothing on it, and this is Jimbo's stuff just beginning to activate. It hasn't fully cured yet. It's trying. Very nice. Tomorrow, it's going to be just as hydrophobic as the mother's. On glass, looks fantastic. On that panel, it's fantastic. I'm working in direct sunlight. Like I said, it's almost 100 degrees, black car, black paint. I can't get it to streak, but I'm not goofy with it. I don't leave it on the paint longer than what's his name says I can. There you go, folks. I love it. I'd buy it all day long. I'd support a small brand that's taking care of himself, his family. Jimbo's, he's got his own little exclusive product. You won't find this in anybody else's lineup. Jimbos Wax N Relax. I think it's a great name. Jimbo, I love you. I honor you. I wish you the best of success. I'm going to buy all your stuff, and I'm going to play with it, and I'm going to give people my honest opinion. And I think you're doing the right thing. You're a diamond in the rough, my friend. I love you. I hope your family's doing well, your wife, your kids. I wish you the best success with your product line. Boy, I could cry, Jimbo. Thank you so much for what you do.